y'all, this is a quick HEB shopping haul. Like, really, y'all can see I only got a few things, but I wanted to let y'all know. I wanted y'all to see what I get from HEB Keto, because they have like a lot of good keto finds. So I get this from any place I go, and that's my zero sugar Sunkist orange soda. I get that in the root beer, diet root beer, A&W if they have it. This is my first time getting the HEB beef fajitas, so I'm going to try this. Hopefully they're not real tough or anything. Then I got these Crystal Farms Marble Jack cheese wraps. We're gonna see how those are. Of course, y'all already know Mission Carb Balance tortillas. I typically get, I can't think of the name of the other ones, but I'll link them. But they didn't have those, so I got these instead. Then this is my first time trying their rotisserie chicken salad. So yeah, I hope this is good. It looks a little bit mayonnaise-y on the mayonnaise side for me, but I'm gonna try it and see. It looks like it may be good. I always get their spicy guac. They make it fresh, and it's really good. So if you shop at HEB and you like guac, try that. This is my first time getting the let's see, because I have it upside down, the spinach and feta salmon. So I think I'm gonna eat this today, actually. But I'm super excited to try this. They don't have any seasonings on the actual salmon, so most likely I'm going to add my own like butter sauce on it and then put it in the oven and broil it, cook it, you know, whatever, bake it. So then I do typically get these stuffed peppers. Typically I get the stuffed shrimp, bacon wrapped shrimp that they have stuffed with jalapeno and jack cheese, but this one is the brisket and cream cheese stuffed jalapenos. Very keto. They have a lot of keto options at HEB. So this is gonna be my first time trying the brisket and cream cheese stuffed one, so that's pretty good. I've been into the Minute Maid Zero Sugars lately, and you can see they only have 1 gram of carb per 8 fluid ounce. And typically, like if I'm doing really strict keto, I'll just treat myself with like 1 glass of that a day, and it's typically less than, it's like a plastic cup, like, you know, the red cups. So it's typically less than the 8 fluid ounce because I don't fill it up to the top. So it's less than that 1 gram of carb. But yeah, so then I also do zero sugar Snapple, and I love half and half, Arnold Palmer, so half tea, half lemonade. That's what I get. I also have a raspberry tea. I didn't buy it on this haul, but I do have some left over from my last time I went to HEB. And then like for a little snack, if y'all ever want anything, y'all can get these little Atkins Candies. I don't typically like chocolate. I think I show a chocolate version in my last I think it was like the what I eat in a day, but I don't actually eat those because yeah, that was my sister's, and I just wanted to show y'all, you know, that you can eat the Atkins. But I do this because I like paydays, and it's very similar to a payday. It tastes just like it. It's 3 grams net carbs, 1 gram of sugar, 6 grams of fiber. Like, y'all, and they make y'all go too, like really go. So I bought 2 boxes of those, and they have a variety of different things. So yes, that is my keto HEB grocery haul. I hope y'all enjoyed. As I told y'all, it was really quick. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed.